Hi everyone, welcome back to another vlog. Hope you all are safe and keeping well. In today's video, sharing with you all another beautiful 4-bedroom detached property, and this is from Taylor Wimpey. So stay tuned and watch this video till the end, it could be useful to you. Location details are shared in here. It's in Leeds, not very far from the Leeds city centre. These are the newly built properties of the Taylor Wimpey. For further details, you can log on to their website and check in detail. Now going with the floor plans, in the ground floor you have a beautiful living room, kitchen with dining, small study and a water closet. On the first floor you have 3 double bedrooms and 1 master bedroom with ensuite facilities and a common bathroom. Now as you enter the house you'll find a spacious and beautiful hall in front of you with various partitions made towards your living, study, kitchen and dining and also towards the first floor. You can actually get the glimpse of all the rooms as you enter. So let's begin with the living room first. A beautiful lounge, very comfortable and spacious as you can see. 2 to 3 sofa sets fit in easily and plenty of room space to walk around. A perfect space for snuggling up with your families in the evening. Check out those massive bay windows in the front. They not only increase the beauty of the room, but you get plenty of light and air movement. Overall, a cozy living room where you can chill out with your families. Let's move on to the other rooms. Now as you come out of this living room, towards your left you'll find another small room with door and lock. The mains of the house are given in here. Now towards your left side you have another small room. This is a study. You can convert it into your office space as well. There is a good window towards front and you get plenty of light and air again. A table with a chair fits in and you can also have another stand. So it's all up to you, how do you want to convert this beautiful space. This is all about the study. Now moving towards the other rooms of the house. Just as you come out of the study room, towards your left side you have the water closet in the ground floor. This has also got the utility space here. Now if you look at it, you have the water closet, wash basin and there are few cupboards at the bottom. They have actually provided the space for the washing machine here in this washroom. Now if you don't like this idea, you can ask them to shift this washing machine to the kitchen outside and provide a drain. So this is all about the washroom here in the ground floor. Now as you come out of this washroom, towards your right side you'll find another small storage room. This is the space under the staircase which is converted into a small storeroom. Now exploring the spectacular open plan kitchen with dining area. This is one of the beautiful spaces of the house which has attracted me a lot. Maybe because of its interior decorations. Very good space is given both towards the kitchen and the dining areas. You have plenty of inbuilt cupboards both at the bottom and even on the top. So a lot of storage goes in. You get this branded gas hob, exhaust, everything included in the property. The boiler is fitted in here in this kitchen. Now towards the other side you have your integrated fridge, freezer, oven, everything fitted in. This is all included in the property. You also get this utensil stand integrated along with this fridge and freezer. We have seen similar models in few of the properties earlier. Now moving towards a beautifully decorated dining space. I really love this dining area. Look at it, plenty of space here. A very big dining table with 6 to 8 chairs fits in easily, and you have plenty of room space to walk around. You also have the garden access through these French doors here. A very big and beautiful garden again with fence around it. But at the moment we cannot access the garden. Overall, a beautiful open plan kitchen with very good architecture and design, and these interiors have made it look more interesting. I thoroughly enjoyed touring this kitchen and dining. Hope you all loved it. Now this is all about the ground floor. Let's move towards the first floor of the house. Now on the first floor we have 4 bedrooms with 3 double bedrooms and 1 master bedroom having the ensuite facilities and a common bathroom. So let's begin with the master bedroom. A beautiful master bedroom with very good space and design. A double cot fits in easily and you have very good room space to walk around. You have a very pretty window towards one side which is having the front view. And look at the viewpoint from this window. Such a beautiful greenery and it makes you feel very pleasant. And towards the other side you have these inbuilt cupboards. So most of the storage can get in easily. Now let's explore the attached bathroom. The bathroom looks okay, it's got a decent space. You have the walk-in shower, water closet, wash basin, and there is also a window towards one side. Now this is all about the master bedroom. Moving towards the other rooms of the house. So just as you come out of the master bedroom, beside it you have a small room with door and lock, and inside you have the water heater. Now beside this small room you have another bedroom. So this is the second bedroom of the house. This can be used as the kids' bedroom because the space of this room is comparatively small than the master bedroom. But again, after having a double cot, you have very good room space to walk around. There's a very pretty window towards one side with good ventilation and light. Check out these inbuilt cupboards towards this side. They're given in such a way that it's not disturbing the room space actually. It's a very nice idea. So this is all about the second bedroom, small and sweet. Now moving towards the next rooms of the house. So just as you come out of this second bedroom, you'll find the family bathroom here. Now this has got a bathtub, water closet and a wash basin. You also have a window towards one side. Now moving towards the third bedroom of the house. This is again another spacious and beautiful bedroom. You can easily have a double cot fitted in here and there's a plenty of room space to walk around. If you can see, there's a pretty window towards one side, so the air and light movement are really good. Now towards the other side they have given the inbuilt cupboards. A very well designed inbuilt cupboards. Plenty of storage can get inside easily. This is all about the third bedroom of the house. Now moving towards the fourth bedroom. Now as you enter the fourth bedroom, you will discover that it's designed in a brilliant way. I found that the shape of this room is slightly resembles L. So the cot fits in and you have very good room space to walk around the cot. And you also have a window towards one side, so very good ventilation. And from this side, if you look at the room towards the entrance, you'll find as if there's more space given. So you can easily have a cupboard there. It's totally up to you how you want to use this room, as a study, storeroom, gaming room, computer room, anything you want to. But then the overall space is used in a very brilliant way. We covered all the rooms in this property. Now let's go downstairs and I'll be sharing with you all few glimpses from the front view of the house. There is actually a garage also included exclusively in this property, which I'll be showing you. So this is the kind of space in front of the house. So you have the garage towards its side and you have 2 cars parking space in front of it. So this is all about today's property. I hope you liked watching my today's video. Do give me your suggestions and feedback in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. Also, if you're watching my channel for the first time and if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe to my channel and feel free to activate the bell icon at the bottom so that you won't miss out on my future uploads. So after viewing the property, we drove 10 minutes towards the Leeds Center and we stopped near the Ensuite. I was craving to have some Indian sweets. It's been a long time didn't have. So we bought few sweets from this Ensuite here. Stay safe, stay connected. See you all in another vlog.